Ever wonder how scientists can tell you exactly what's in your medicine or even your coffee? I mean, they're faced with these really complex mixtures. How do they pick everything apart?
Well, they use a technique called HPLC, and it's incredibly accurate and super efficient.
So, let's follow a sample through the whole system to see exactly how it works.
It all starts here, with the mobile phase. This is the liquid that will carry our sample.
But first, you gotta get rid of any dissolved gas. Those things can form bubbles and mess everything up.
Modern systems use a slick vacuum degasser, which is way faster than the old school methods.
Then a powerful pump kicks in, creating some serious pressure to get that solvent moving.
All right, our mobile phase is flowing nicely. It's time to introduce the sample right here. So in the load position, a tiny, precise amount of our sample goes into this sample loop. Then, flick, the valve switches to inject, and the solvent pushes the sample into the system. And from there, it's swept into the real heart of the operation, the column.
Inside, there's a special material, and this is where the magic of separation really happens.
You can think of it like a race. Components that don't stick to the material just fly right through.
So everything exits the column at different times, all perfectly separated, and heads for the detector.
The detector's job? To see these invisible components and turn them into an electronic signal.
And there are two main types. Some detectors measure the whole solution. Others focus only on the sample.
A mass spectrometer is just a game changer. It can identify a compound by its exact molecular mass.
And this is why all that prep work matters. Without it, you get a noisy, useless signal.
So these signals go to a data system, which then draws a visual graph for us.
This graph is called a chromatogram. Each of those peaks is one separated component.
From the solvent all the way to the final data, every single step works together perfectly.
And that's how scientists unlock those secrets. Thanks for coming along on this little journey.